We're here with Gary from Century Chimney. And Gary, we have questions for you on smoke chamber repair. 4 questions. First of all, what is a smoke chamber?
Smoke chamber is the area of the fireplace and chimney that gets hotter than any other place of the fireplace and chimney. So it's extremely important that it is coated with a high temperature mortar. And let me explain what a smoke chamber is.
Okay.
A smoke chamber, when you open and close, let's say you have the type of damper that is at the bottom of the chimney, the throat sealing damper. Right above that, there is an area that commonly steps in with the bricks until it gets to the flue liner that goes up to the top of the chimney. That should be parged smooth for proper airflow, more efficient airflow, and again with a high temperature insulative mortar so that the heat doesn't go through those bricks to other areas and potentially cause a fire inside.
Okay, so that's a really important part of the chimney.
Super important. They're all important, but the smoke chamber is really important to have built properly.
And you mentioned repairing it, parging. Is that what you call it? What exactly is happening there?
Parging is where that is the process of putting that insulative mortar inside the smoke chamber, and we hand apply the parging material inside the smoke chamber. There are different ways to do it. Some guys have spray systems where they spray we've done that and it's worked, but it's an incredible amount of work to clean out those machines. They break down and we can't do as good a job as when we hand parge the smoke chamber. So we've been doing this for 30 years now. So we've learned a lot of things and we do everything by hand now.
Okay, and that's handcrafted chimney repair. I mean, that's even sounds more quality filled than anything else. You maybe touched on this, but what impact does a rough or cracked chamber have on the performance of the fireplace when I'm having a fire there?
Sure. So if you can imagine again where the bricks just step in like this over and over and over until they reach the masonry clay or stainless steel flue tile, that interrupts the flow. The air starts doing this. I can't draw a diagram right now as we're talking, but so I'll just do this. And it causes a lot of turbulence inside the smoke chamber before it gets to the flue. You may notice smoke backing up into the house. So that would probably be the most common thing that would happen.
And going back to your parging, when you guys do that, if there is, does that help smooth out that step up?
It completely smooths it out.
Okay, so it's almost absolutely a convex.
It's as straight as this table.
Oh, that's great. Okay. Yeah. Good reason to get that done right there.
Absolutely.
One last question. Well, Gary, thanks so much. Why don't you take a look at your chimney, stick your head in there, see what you think, and if you think Gary and his crew can help you out, call Century Chimney.
Give us a call.